For dealers that cannot make it to this training, I would reach out to your Dow salesperson. If you have an opportunity, plant the seed about lighting control or automated shades, and then we will figure out a way to be able to sell it together, either through maybe a mentorship program or getting you to a future training. And our home automated window treatments are very easy to use. We have honeycomb shades and we have roller shades. They can be battery operated or they can be hardwired. They're very profitable. Dealers make on average 40 points. Lutron actually invented the dimmer in 1961 and is a privately owned company. We have over 600 engineers that just work on maintaining products and inventing new products to keep our markets growing and our dealers very, very busy. Plus, all of our products are tested by a human being before they leave the factory, and we have a less than 1% defective rate. Rolling a truck for a little minor error or a problem with a product, a defect, is expensive. And you know with Lutron, you're guaranteed you're gonna have less than 1% of issues. Just plant the seed. You never know where things can go. Just telling customers about products. A lot of our products, Lutron, the even name of Lutron, a lot of dealers don't even know, customers don't even know about Lutron. We're still in our infancy and there's a lot to be sold and a lot of money to be made. Thank you.